Every gardener wants better soil, but we often overlook the most important ingredient: life. The humble earthworm is the chief engineer of healthy soil, constantly moving, aerating and enriching it. Their tunnels let air and water reach plant roots, preventing compaction and waterlogging. As they digest organic matter, they leave behind nutrient-rich castings, nature's perfect slow-release fertilizer. A garden teeming with worms signals healthy, fertile soil. If you dig and find worms, your soil is thriving. If not, it's a warning. The soil may be compacted and lifeless. Worms follow microbes, not just nutrients, and this partnership is the engine of a fertile garden. Encourage microbes, and worms will follow, powering the cycle of renewal beneath your feet. Want more worms? Feed the microbes first. One of the best ways is with uncooked rice. Crushed and soaked, rice provides a quick energy boost for soil bacteria and fungi, sparking a population boom. Worms flock to feast on this microbial banquet, often faster than with compost. Rice isn't a replacement for compost, but a powerful supplement, a targeted boost for the soil food web. More microbes mean more worms, better soil, and healthier plants. Sometimes the simplest kitchen staple can transform your garden. Here's how to use rice to attract worms. First, crush a cup of uncooked rice. Don't use whole grains, as they attract pests. Soak the crushed rice in water for a few hours until the water turns cloudy. Pour the rice and starchy water over the soil you want to improve, then cover with mulch, leaf mold, compost or cardboard. This keeps the rice moist and hidden from birds, creating the perfect environment for microbes and worms. Don't dig it in. Keep it near the surface. A single cup treats about a square metre. The mulch traps moisture and darkness, which worms love. Consistent moisture is key. Don't let the soil dry out or become waterlogged. After applying rice and mulch, the real magic happens underground. In the first week, microbes explode in number, breaking down the rice. You might spot white mycelium, fungi at work, and soon more worms. By week 2, you'll see even more worms, larger and more active, and the soil will look darker and crumbly, a sign of worm activity. This method works best in moderately healthy soil. Avoid letting the area dry out or get soggy. Worms need steady moisture. With patience, you'll witness a visible transformation in just 2 weeks. For lasting results, use the rice method seasonally, once in spring, once in autumn. Over time, your soil will become richer, hold water better, and support healthier plants. Avoid using rice where you'll sow fine seeds soon, or if you have rodent problems. Regular use reduces the need for fertilizers and builds a resilient, living soil. Try it on a small patch and see the difference. Share this simple, natural technique with fellow gardeners, and together we can create thriving, beautiful gardens from the ground up.